Assalamualaikum. Hi guys, it's Miss Tari again. Today we'll practice how to spell names in English from A to Z like a native speaker. Alright guys, let's start with the alphabet. Repeat after me. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z or Z. Now let's spell some names together. Tari, T-A-R-I, Ryan, R-Y-A-N, Dina, D-I-N-A. Good job! Remember to say each letter clearly. Here is a short dialogue that you guys can practice. Now it's your turn. Spell your name in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for the next lesson. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.